Hello, welcome to the course of Basics of Python. Python is a fourth generation language and it is a very easy to use language that anyone can use. So now I am going to show how to install Python on Windows 10. First write Python download for Windows 10. Then click on download Python. Then click on download Python install manager. It is installing. Now click on the show in folder option and double click on the Python manager. Then click on install Python. When the Python is installed, to install Python, type Y in capital and press enter. Now it is installing Python. Now it is asking view online help. If you want to view online help, you can type Y in small or N in capital. Now you can close these and go to the Windows button, and here is the Python install manager. Now click on the Windows button and write Python. Then click on Python 3.14 and write print bracket your name and then click enter. If it writes your name over here like this, then you are ready to code on Python.